Imagine a world where your truck tires last longer, your fuel efficiency improves automatically, and you can finally get a good night's sleep on the road. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's now a reality thanks to some incredible new inventions that are revolutionizing the trucking industry. From smart tire protection systems to high-tech dash cams and game-changing trailer couplings, these gadgets are designed to make your life on the road safer, easier, and more profitable. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Let's get into it. Stack-Com. One of the biggest challenges in trucking, especially for those transporting logs, steel beams, or construction materials, is securing cargo safely. The Stack-Com 90 is an advanced automatic cargo securing system that ensures tight and stable load fastening throughout the journey. Traditional cargo securing methods require truckers to manually tighten straps, which is both time-consuming and physically demanding. The Stack-Com 90 eliminates this struggle by using automated tensioning technology, which continuously adjusts the tightness of the securing straps based on road conditions. This reduces the risk of cargo shifting or falling, enhancing safety for both the driver and other road users. Additionally, this system improves loading and unloading efficiency, allowing truckers to spend less time on manual labor and more time on the road. With its durable and lightweight design, the Stack-Com 90 is a must-have for truckers handling heavy cargo. Paveli Strong. For truckers involved in industries such as construction, mining, and waste management, a heavy-duty tipper trailer is essential. The Paveli Strong is one of the toughest and most durable tipping trailers available today. What makes the Paveli Strong stand out is its high-strength steel construction, allowing it to withstand extreme loads without bending or deteriorating over time. The trailer is equipped with an advanced hydraulic tipping system that ensures smooth and controlled unloading, preventing cargo spillage and damage. Unlike conventional tipper trailers, the Paveli Strong is engineered to handle harsh terrains while maintaining excellent balance and stability. This makes it an ideal choice for truckers operating in demanding environments where rough roads and heavy loads are the norm. With a reinforced chassis, corrosion-resistant materials, and a powerful lifting mechanism, the Paveli Strong is a game-changer for truckers who need a reliable and efficient tipper trailer. Revolutionizing SAS 300BL Ultra. The Revolutionizing 300BL Ultra is an ultra-lightweight semi-trailer designed to maximize cargo capacity while reducing fuel consumption. This innovative trailer is constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy, which makes it significantly lighter than traditional trailers without compromising durability. A lighter trailer means that truckers can carry more cargo while adhering to legal weight limits, leading to higher profits per trip. Additionally, the reduced weight results in lower fuel consumption, making it an excellent choice for fleet owners looking to cut costs and improve efficiency. Another standout feature of the Revolutionizing 300BL Ultra is its smart load distribution system, which automatically adjusts weight across the axles to ensure optimal balance and road stability. This not only enhances driving comfort, but also reduces wear and tear on tires and suspension components. For truckers looking to increase payload capacity without sacrificing efficiency, the Revolutionizing 300BL Ultra is one of the best choices available today. DAF Digital Vision System. Traditional side mirrors on trucks create blind spots, increase wind resistance, and are prone to damage. The DAF Digital Vision System replaces conventional mirrors with high-definition cameras that provide a wider, clearer, and more comprehensive view of the surroundings. These state-of-the-art cameras transmit real-time footage to high-resolution displays inside the truck's cabin, allowing drivers to see a much larger area than traditional mirrors allow. The system also includes night vision and automatic glare reduction, making it highly effective in all lighting and weather conditions. Besides improving visibility, the DAF Digital Vision System enhances aerodynamics by eliminating the bulky mirror structures that cause drag and reduce fuel efficiency. As a result, truckers can expect better fuel economy and a smoother driving experience. With its cutting-edge technology and safety improvements, this digital mirror system is rapidly becoming a must-have for modern trucks. Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle. Hauling oversized or heavy loads often requires additional axles to distribute weight safely and comply with transport regulations. The Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle is a versatile add-on axle system that allows truckers to extend their load capacity as needed. Unlike standard fixed axles, this hydraulic flip axle can be activated or deactivated depending on the load requirements. When additional support is required, the axle is lowered and engaged. When not needed, it is folded up to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. For truckers who frequently haul heavy-duty loads, this invention offers greater flexibility, improved stability, and regulatory compliance without needing an entirely new trailer. Right track systems. Truck tires endure extreme wear and tear, especially when navigating challenging terrains such as rough construction sites, muddy forests, icy highways, and rocky off-road paths. Given that tires are one of the most expensive maintenance costs for truckers, investing in protection can save thousands of dollars in premature tire replacements. This is where Right Track systems come in, providing innovative rubber track solutions that wrap around truck tires to offer exceptional durability and enhanced traction. These rubber track systems function like protective shields, significantly reducing the impact of sharp rocks, potholes, and extreme weather conditions on the tire's surface. The result? A longer tire lifespan, improved grip, and increased safety for truck drivers who frequently operate in hazardous or off-road environments. For logging, mining, and construction trucks, where rough terrains are a daily reality, Right Track systems provide an extra layer of security against punctures, cuts, and blowouts. Unlike conventional tire chains, these tracks provide more even weight distribution, reducing the stress on tires and improving handling in slippery or unstable conditions. Additionally, installation is quick and hassle-free, allowing truckers to equip or remove the system as needed. Since Right Track systems are designed to be reusable, they are a cost-effective solution that extends tire longevity and minimizes the risk of unexpected breakdowns. This means fewer roadside emergencies, reduced downtime, and a more efficient, safer trucking experience overall. If you operate in harsh driving conditions, investing in Right Track systems can help you save money, improve performance, and reduce maintenance hassles. Beat combo coupling. One of the most crucial components of trucking is the connection between the truck and its trailer. A poorly designed coupling system can lead to excessive stress on the chassis, inefficient load distribution, and safety risks during transport. The B-Combi coupling is an advanced trailer coupling system designed to improve efficiency, safety, and durability when connecting heavy trailers. Unlike conventional couplings, the B-Combi system is engineered to distribute weight more evenly, reducing wear and tear on the truck's chassis. This is particularly beneficial for long-haul truckers and logistics companies, as it prevents mechanical failures that often arise from uneven load distribution and excessive strain on vehicle components. Another major advantage is the flexibility it provides for different types of cargo. Since many trucking operations require frequent coupling and decoupling of trailers, a standard coupling system can be slow, inefficient, and prone to damage over time. The B-Combi coupling is designed for quick and secure attachment, allowing truckers to switch trailers with minimal downtime. This system is widely used in heavy cargo transportation, bulk logistics, and industrial trucking, where efficiency is a top priority. Additionally, it enhances driving stability, reducing trailer sway, and improving handling on highways and steep terrains. By investing in a B-Combi coupling, truckers can extend the lifespan of their vehicles, reduce maintenance costs, and improve load efficiency. For fleet managers, this means higher operational productivity, lower repair expenses, and safer transport operations. Blackview Truck Dash Cam. In today's trucking industry, safety and security are more important than ever. Truck drivers face various risks, including road accidents, false insurance claims, cargo theft, and even hijackings. The Blackview Truck Dashcam is a high-tech fleet monitoring solution that offers real-time recording and tracking to help protect both truckers and fleet managers. Equipped with full HD cameras, the Blackview Dashcam provides clear, high-resolution footage of everything happening on the road. This system has dual cameras, allowing drivers to monitor both the front and rear of the truck simultaneously. This footage is automatically stored and can be accessed remotely, making it an invaluable tool for dispute resolution, accident investigations, and security monitoring. One of its standout features is night vision technology, which ensures crystal clear recordings even in low light conditions. This is particularly beneficial for truckers who drive overnight routes where visibility is often reduced. Additionally, the dashcam comes with GPS tracking and real-time remote access, allowing fleet managers to monitor driver behavior, fuel efficiency, and vehicle location. This helps companies improve operational efficiency and ensure compliance with road safety regulations. Another significant benefit of the Blackview dashcam is its ability to act as a deterrent against theft and vandalism. Since the system records continuously, potential criminals are less likely to target a vehicle that is actively being monitored. For truckers who want better protection, enhanced security, and peace of mind, the Blackview truck dashcam is an essential investment. Highway hammocks. For long-haul truckers, adequate rest is just as important as vehicle performance. Spending days or weeks on the road means that truckers often have to sleep inside their trucks, which can be uncomfortable and lead to fatigue, muscle strain, and reduced alertness. The highway hammock is a comfortable, space-saving sleeping solution designed specifically for truck drivers. Unlike traditional mattresses or sleeping bunks, highway hammocks offer ergonomic support, allowing truckers to get high-quality rest without adding unnecessary bulk to their cabin. These hammocks are designed for quick and easy setup, and they fit snugly inside truck cabins, ensuring that drivers can rest in a secure, suspended position that minimizes body strain. Unlike rigid beds, hammocks reduce pressure points, preventing back pain and circulation issues that often come from sleeping on hard surfaces. One of the key benefits of the highway hammock is that it provides better sleep quality, reducing fatigue, and improving driver alertness. Given that driver fatigue is a leading cause of trucking accidents, having a comfortable resting solution is essential for safety and performance on the road. Truckers who use highway hammocks can avoid expensive hotel stays, saving money while ensuring that they wake up refreshed and ready for long hauls. Tire Pilot Plus. Maintaining optimal tire pressure is one of the most critical factors for fuel efficiency, road safety, and tire longevity. Underinflated tires cause higher rolling resistance, leading to excessive fuel consumption and uneven tire wear. Conversely, overinflated tires increase the risk of blowouts, which can be extremely dangerous at high speeds. The Tire Pilot Plus is an automatic tire pressure management system that continuously monitors and adjusts tire pressure in real time. This system inflates or deflates the tires as needed, ensuring they remain within the optimal pressure range at all times. By maintaining the correct tire pressure, truckers can experience several benefits, including improved fuel efficiency as properly inflated tires reduce drag, longer tire lifespan, minimizing replacement costs, better vehicle stability and control, reducing accident risks, lower maintenance costs as tires suffer less wear and tear. The Tire Pilot Plus is particularly useful for long-haul truckers who may travel through different climates and altitudes that can affect tire pressure. The system automatically compensates for temperature changes, ensuring a consistent and safe driving experience. For truckers who want to improve performance, cut fuel costs, and enhance road safety, the Tire Pilot Plus is an essential addition to any truck. And there you have it, some of the most mind-blowing inventions that every trucker should know about. Whether it's advanced safety systems, fuel-saving technology, or comfort upgrades, these innovations are transforming the trucking industry like never before. Which one of these inventions impressed you the most? Or do you know of any other must-have trucking gadgets? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome trucking content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and keep on trucking.